guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable price alerts notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you, it's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on push notifications. Then you come to next step here, come here to price alerts. You just click in this sign here. So that like you see this color show for us, that's mean here price alerts notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.